Hi, sweet family. Welcome. Welcome to Sweet Honey's Naturals. Now, today I decided to bring y'all in the kitchen with me because I wanted to make some capsules. Now, I've been making my own capsules for a little bit, but today I wanted to do something a little different. And I'm going to be making some aloe vera capsules because those of us that knows the benefit of aloe vera. And just remember, don't use too much, because I always say before you use any herbal regimen, consult with your doctor first. And this is strictly for informational purposes. This is not to replace any doctor's advice or anything like that. And if you're pregnant or nursing or using any kind of medication, it's preferably not to do any herbal regimen on especially aloe vera until you speak to your doctor first. So, for those of you that is here for the first time, my name is Annie. And I know that you're not seeing my face today. Put it wrong. You're not seeing my face today because I just wanted to bring you all in the kitchen while I was doing this. But I am Annie once again, and welcome. And for those returning to this channel, welcome back. And what I was saying, my recipes normally come to me between sleep and wake. And what I was saying, that if aloe vera is so good for your skin and your hair, then it is going to be beneficial internally as well, because we drink aloe vera juice anyway. So some days I can't get my aloe vera juice, so I said, well, if I can't get my aloe vera juice, what I will do is make a capsule so that I would still get the benefits of it, because it is good for constipation as well. It is good for gut health, digestion. It has lots of vitamins and minerals, potassium, iron, magnesium, those things. And we know when you're over 50 how important it is to have those things in your body. And sometimes you can't always drink the aloe vera juice. So and then it is very, very good for your hair as well, hair growth, and good for eczema, psoriasis, and all those things. So if it is good for all those things, then, it should be great using it internally. But as I said, this is just a supplement. You can use one a day and see how it works for you. And then, if you wanted to increase, you can. But for me, I probably might only use one a day, because this is full strength aloe vera powder. And this is it. And the machine I'm using today is this one. And I love this machine because it does 100 capsules one time. So, if you did 100 capsules and you wanted to share some with someone else, it is easy for you to share it, and you don't have to be making a little batch, little batch, little batch all the time, you know. So I just love that machine. I think that it was a super great investment for your health, because you can make any kind of capsule that you want. And I also made turmeric, I made spirulina, I made moringa, I made lion's mane, and there's so many things I made. But anyway, I'm gonna enough chit chat. I'm going to finish doing these off camera. I'm not even sure how much I did so far, but I'm gonna finish doing these off camera, and then I will be right back. I am back, and I use aloe vera in other things, and I find that it gets up in your nose because this powder is so thin, it gets everywhere. So, and it's very uncomfortable when it goes up in your nose. So what you can do is to put on a mask, and that is what I'm gonna do. So if I sound a little muffled, you know the reason why. Now, I'm not sure how much this is, but what we're gonna do is, and I'm making these for me, so that's why I really don't have on gloves. It doesn't matter because I'm making them for me. But if you are making these for anyone, the best thing for you to do is just put some gloves on. So what we're gonna do is just know this is the first part, and we're just making sure that we get these inside these little holes here. And normally you can shake it around and it goes in, but I don't know, mine is just going all over the place. So I'm gonna just shake these and let them go in. At the ones that don't go in, I just put them in. Right, so some went in, and it's normally really faster that way when you could just drop them in instead of putting them in individually. So I'm just putting in the rest that is missing. And as I said before, this makes 100, and it is nighttime, so I'm finding it difficult to see what has in. It seems as though a lot of them went in. So let's see here. Our next step is to put our powder in. And you see how fine this powder is? This floats everywhere. Just goes in your nostrils. So I didn't want it in my nostrils, so I am this too. And what you can do is switch to this one if you wanted to. You can switch to this one, but I just leave this one in. Then we take this and push it down to get any air bubbles. Then you do this again. And I have on my glasses because it seems though you need to cover your eyes too, because this aloe vera is something else. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do it how much times I need, and then I'll be right the bottoms. And basically we're gonna do the same thing. And as you can see, this can be quite of a messy job. So we're just gonna put these in, and I'm dropping so much. But it can be a quite messy job. So we're gonna get these inside here, and then we will go to the next step, okay? Put in the covers and different things in this and shaking it around. What happens is that some of them fall in upside down, and then you have to switch them, and it's just a pain. So then we're gonna move this plate and put on this plate, all right? And we're gonna fit that on there tightly, and as you can see, our capsules aren't moving, they're not going anywhere. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this plate and then fit this right there. And let's do this. Let's press it down. We gotta press it down. I hear that we're losing one. One sounded as though it was stubborn. So we'll see how much capsules we get. Okay? And as you can see, this is a messy job. But the cleanup is easy because we have paper towel. And voila, our capsules are done. This one here, I don't know, maybe that didn't have anything in it. Some of them were missing, but that's okay. But our capsules are done. Let's throw them up here. Messy, messy, messy. But then what I do is just, because if you can see there's a little space there, I just take them and press them close. So I take all of them and press them close, and when you press them close, see, you can't see anything. So these are our aloe vera capsules. So I'll just press all of these close, and clean up here, and I will be right back. As I said earlier, what you can do, look at them, see that they're nice and closed up, so you're not seeing that gap anymore because I closed all of them. And what you can do is, I forgot I had on that mask, so I needed to take it off. What you can do is take one of these a day, see how it works for you, and according to how it works for you, then you would know if you need to stop taking it or if you can continue. But aloe vera is very good for you, and one a day is perfectly good enough to start off. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Once again, I said this was gonna be something different, and it surely was. So I show you how I make my capsules. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. You can share it with a friend, you can send me a comment and let me know if there's any other capsules you would want to see me make, anything you would want to see me make. So until I see you again next time, my name is Annie, and this is Sweet Honey's Naturals. Thank you once again. Continue to spread the love and let your light shine.